Hey guys, how to install and use PyTorch framework for machine learning. First go to the pytorch.org site and find Get Started section or Install section, or swipe down and find section Install PyTorch. Here we specify the configuration option for our environment, for our computer. First choose PyTorch build, we select stable build, then choose your operation system, for example Windows, choose package, I will install with pip, choose pip, and then select language, I choose Python. Next, choose compute platform. If your operation system is Windows and your graphic card is NVIDIA, you can use CUDA for machine learning with graphic card. For this you need to run this command. I will use CPU, and for Windows and for Mac it's the similar run command. Copy it and go into your IDE where you coding. I use PyCharm, and here open the terminal and paste this code. Enter. PyTorch is installing. We successfully installed PyTorch, and let's check it. Clear this start code and let's try import torch. That's okay. Then we can print torch dot, for example, random function with 10 random numbers. Run this code with PyTorch and we have 10 random numbers. It's okay. If you use CUDA, you can check it. For this, write torch point CUDA point is available. Run this code and we see false because I haven't CUDA. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.